Hi, my name is Janine, and today I'm going to be showing you how to thread the Baby Lock Zeal.
For a standard straight stitch, the machine should be set on 5 width, BA selector, and 2.5 length. Place the thread on the spool pin followed by the spool holder. Pull the thread from the spool and guide it around the bobbin winder thread guide. Thread through the hole in the bobbin from the inside to the outside. Put the bobbin on the bobbin winder with the free end of the thread coming out at the top. Pull out the hand wheel to disengage the clutch and turn on the power. Push the bobbin to the right, and while holding the free thread in your hand, press the foot pedal to start winding your bobbin. Stop the machine once the bobbin has been wound a few layers and cut the thread close to the bobbin. Continue winding your bobbin until it's full enough for your project. The bobbin will stop winding automatically once it is full. Cut the thread from the bobbin once you're done filling it up. Push the bobbin winder back to the left and remove your bobbin. Push the hand wheel back in to re-engage the clutch. To remove the bobbin case, push the black button to the right and remove the cover. Very important, put the bobbin in the case like a P, not a Q. Put the thread into the front notch of the bobbin case. Pull the thread to the left and it should slide between the tension spring blades. Before you start threading your machine, turn the hand wheel towards you to raise the take-up lever. Remove the thread from the bobbin winder thread guide. Pull the thread and pass it under the thread guide, then draw it along the right channel. Pull up the thread along the left channel and thread the take-up lever. Slip the thread behind the needle bar before threading your machine. Thread the needle from front to back or use the automatic threader. To draw up the bobbin thread, hold the needle thread with your left hand. Turn the hand wheel toward you while watching the bobbin case. Once the needle thread and the bobbin thread are touching, pull up the needle thread until both threads go through the hole. You can now completely pull the bobbin thread out and set both threads towards the back. I don't have the bobbin cover or the presser foot on yet because it's easier to thread the machine without them. Now that I'm finished threading my machine, I can put my bobbin case cover back on. Grab your presser foot and align it to the groove on the presser foot holder. Lower the presser foot lifter to lock the foot in place. Now it's time to check if your machine is threaded properly. To make sure you're starting at the beginning of the fabric, align the edge of your fabric to the window on the presser foot. Do not forget to put your presser foot down. This is my pet peeve because it'll make the machine go crazy. Put the needle down using the hand wheel before you start a few stitches. Don't forget to backstitch. You have to push the button down while sewing. Keep in mind that a backstitch is only 2 to 3 stitches forward and a few stitches back to where you started. Once you finish your backstitch, you can complete the stitch. Don't forget to backstitch again once you're done. Remove your fabric from the machine. Draw your needle up if it is down. Then lift up the presser foot and pull your fabric away from the machine. Cut the thread from the fabric, making sure you leave a long enough extension on the thread so your machine doesn't get unthreaded. To remove the presser foot, push the lever in the back of the presser foot holder to release the foot. That's all for now. Happy sewing!